Let's start. Today we will see how to align the inputs in an inline horizontal way, in the Tradingview pinescript. Generally, when we code some inputs in the pinescript, those inputs appear vertically, one below another in the Inputs panel window. We will try to align them horizontally. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with name, horizontal inline inputs. Here, we have 3 integer inputs. And then we plot these input values on the chart. Let's add this indicator to the chart. Let's open the Inputs panel. As you can see, the inputs are by default vertically aligned here. Now let's align them horizontally. For that, we need to write this inline attribute in each input function. And also, the value of all the inline inputs needs to be the same. Now, let's see the input panel again. As you can see, the inputs are now horizontally aligned. So that's it. That's how you can align inputs horizontally in the Tradingview pinescript. Thank you.